day 4 of our trip, and this is like my first time actually like, talking this video. Here's the view outside, guys. So we don't have like the greatest view ever, and it like rained yesterday, so it's kind of gross and wet outside. Also, it's supposed to be nice and sunny today, and it's not, so that's kind of a bummer. So we're hoping it'll warm up a bit more. Also, here's a quick tour of the room I'm sharing with my little brother. But you walk in, this light switch, we still have no clue what it does, so yeah. And then my bed, ignore all the stuffed animal, and then my backpack just kind of through there, sweatshirt, and then the mirrors here with some drawers. Obviously there's nothing in them. Suitcases, my doll's right here. I brought Nanea, as you saw, because I filmed like 1 or 2 clips with her. This pillow was on the bed, so I'm gonna put it back on the bed. Okay, there we go. And then we've got this huge closet, guys, literally giant. Lots of shelves. Also, this like apartment has really high ceiling. And then there's this nightstand here. And then the light. This is the only light in the room other than the one in the closet. So at night we have to just turn this one on, and the lighting is so bad. But today we are going to like the NASCAR Hall of Fame because my brothers like NASCAR. So it's day 5 of South Carolina, but like my second full day of being here, and also our last full day of being here. Love that. We have to leave at like 8:30 in the morning. But yeah, so today we basically, we went to like this all-you-can-eat barbecue place. They also had like non-barbecue stuff. Then we went to like this park kind of area. I got some clips there that you probably saw. And then also, what else did we do? Then we went and like walked around town. It was so pretty, so I really wish I had my camera with me when we were like walking around town. Now we're probably gonna go and like play some games. So that's the plan for the rest of the day.